Okay, let's see characteristics of respiratory surfaces. Respiratory surfaces have different features. The feature number one, they are thin in order to reduce diffusion distance. As you know, when they are thin, it means that it takes short period of time for gases to cross respiratory surfaces. Okay, a second feature of respiratory surface is that they are moist in order to dissolve gases that diffuse in a solution form. So this respiratory surface should be moist so as to dissolve those gases that will make them to be in conducive environment for them to be transported. Feature number three, they are highly branched, folded, or flattened in order to increase the surface area for gaseous exchange. Being branched, being folded, being flattened will make them to have increased the surface area for the gaseous exchange to take place. Also, we have a feature number four, that they are surrounded by blood capillaries so that gases can be taken to and from the cells easily. So, being surrounded by blood capillaries enable the gases to be taken in and from these surfaces easily. Feature number five is that they are well ventilated so that gases can pass through them easily. Being well ventilated means that you find these respiratory surfaces are well exposed to the environment so that these gases can get in easily. For example, we find that for mammals, they have lungs. These lungs, they have a tracheal system that take the air from the environment, take this oxygen from the environment, and when we inhale that air, the lungs get the particular gas easily. So we say that it is well ventilated.